Well, initially they were building heavy sailboats and large motor yachts, but a turning point came in 1962 when they commissioned a marine architect, Kenneth Smith, to design a 36-foot diesel-powered cruising boat. This was the genesis of what would become the iconic Grand Banks trawler. It's a style. While they're often called trawlers, they have semi-displacement hulls, and they're designed for more than just plodding along. While their roots are in Hong Kong, Grand Banks Yachts, primarily manufacturing facility these days, is located in Pasir Gudang, Johor, Malaysia since 1995. And they're not just resting on their laurels. Grand Banks has been actively expanding and updating facilities and integrating advanced technologies like 8-axis robots and optimized resin infusion techniques. This is all part of their commitment to their proprietary V-warp technology, which aims to create lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient hulls. They even have solar panels on the roof of the plant to help with their environmental initiatives. It's a far cry from the original wooden boat building shed. Early icons include the Grand Banks 36 Classic. This boat, launched in 1965, is arguably one of the most successful yachts designed ever. It truly redefined coastal cruising for many. Known for its stable ride and the ease of handling, the 36-foot Classic with its traditional tri-cabin layout became a benchmark. Early models were built of wood, transitioning to fiberglass and semi-displacement hulls in late 1973. While some were sold with single engines, many owners opted for twin diesels for better performance, typically cruising around 10 knots. The Grand Banks 42 Classic. Following the success of the 36, the 42 Classic became another incredibly popular model. It shared that familiar, robust look, offered a two-stateroom, two-head layout. These boats were designed for stability and fuel efficiency over long distances, appealing to those looking for serious cruising capabilities. Over its long production run, the 42 evolved with modest redesign, but its core appeal remained. These early models and others in the Heritage series were characterized by their full teak interiors, though newer models have been moved towards the glued teak decks to reduce maintenance. Wide side decks, protected cockpit, and a robust seaworthy feel. They were, and still are, highly sought after in the brokerage market due to the quality construction and the enduring quality and design. While Grand Banks is synonymous with the classic trawler look, they've also diversified and innovated, introducing a series that caters to different cruising styles. Introduced in 1990, the East Bay line marked a shift towards faster down east style express cruisers. These boats often are sleek with higher cruising speeds and a more contemporary feel, while retaining the Grand Banks commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Models like the East Bay 44 and the 60 sedan are examples of this performance-oriented evolution. The Aleutian series, with its distinctive raised pilot house design, moved Grand Banks into larger, more luxurious yachts. These models, like the 59 and the 72 Aleutian, offers expansive living space, spacious staterooms, and designs focused on extended cruising comforts. They represent a more modern take on a long-range cruiser, incorporating advanced construction techniques for lighter, stronger hulls. The current flagships boats? Well, performance and efficiency. Today, Grand Bank's focus is heavily on efficiency and performance, combined with luxurious comfort, of course. Their current lineup largely falls under their long-range cruiser and Down Easter series, showcasing their advanced V-warp hull technology. Now, that means lighter construction techniques. So, for instance, like infused carbon fiber decks and superstructure. Sounds very interesting. The Grand Banks 54, this model embodies the blend of classic Grand Banks aesthetics with modern performance. It's designed for impressive fuel efficiency, even higher cruising speeds. Owners can choose between a flybridge or a sky lounge configuration and customize the interior layout with options like a galley down or very stateroom arrangements. The Grand Banks 54 also features advanced the Grand Banks 54 also features advanced composite construction for strength and rigidity, along with well thought out deck layouts for safety and ease of handling. The Grand Banks 60, built on the success of the 54, the 60 further refines the concept of a high performance, high efficiency, long range cruiser. It's known for its spacious interiors, luxurious furnishings, and customizable layouts. Like the 54, it offers flybridge and sky lounge options, catering to different preferences for open air versus climate controlled upper deck space. The Grand Banks 62 is a model that expanded from the 60 platform, offering even more interior and exterior volume. It's designed to maximize comfort and efficiency with impressive top speeds and excellent fuel burning rates. Isn't that fuel economy? The Grand Bank 62 features a 3-stateroom, 3-head layout for enhanced cruising comfort, and the clever design element like integrating bar units and well-appointed flybridges. The Grand Banks 85 is their current flagship. It's designed for the ultimate adventure. This large yacht combines exceptional craftsmanship with cutting-edge design, including advanced hull construction and exotic materials. It offers extensive customization options for layouts, including 3 or 4 staterooms and separate crew quarters. It's a testament to Grand Bank's ability to scale up its philosophy of efficiency, comfort, and performance to a grander scale. So, what do owners love about their Grand Banks? Well, they're a pretty passionate group, and they can see they're a pretty passionate group, and they consistently highlight several key features that draws them to this yacht: exceptional build quality and durability. This is almost universally cited. Grand Banks boats are known for being incredibly well built, robust, and designed to last. Owners appreciate the solid construction and the feeling of security it provides, especially in a challenging sea. They hold their value remarkably well, a testament to their longevity. Now, about their seaworthiness and stability, Grand Bank hulls, whether the older semi-displacement or the newer V-warp design, are renowned for their comfortable and stable ride. This is crucial for long-range cruising, making passages enjoyable even when the weather isn't perfect. Now, while the company has innovated the classic Grand Banks profile with its graceful sheer lines and practical layout, remains highly appealing. Owners also love the traditional yet elegant look that never goes out of style, like rich handicraft teak interiors, a Grand Banks hallmark, are also a major draw, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, when it comes to fuel efficiency, especially with the newer models utilizing the V-Warp technology, owners are consistently impressed by the fuel economy, achieving good nautical miles per gallon at respectable cruising speeds. It's a significant advantage for those who enjoy extended voyages. Thoughtful layouts and practical Grand Banks yachts are designed for living aboard and long distances. This means wide, secure decks, ample storage, well-appointed galleys, and comfortable accommodations. Owners appreciate the logical flow of the spaces and the attention to detail that makes life on board enjoyable and convenient. Even with larger vessels, Grand Banks designs prioritize ease of handling. Features like excellent visibility from the helm, side deck, access doors, and intuitive controls allow for confident operation even for a cruising couple. While they have standard layouts, Grand Banks offers a good degree of customizations for new builds, allowing owners to truly personalize their yachts to their specific needs and preferences. In essence, Grand Banks yachts represents a blend of heritage and innovation. They've evolved from humble beginnings in Hong Kong to a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Malaysia, consistently delivering yachts that are not just beautiful, but also highly capable, efficient, and built to stand the test of time. It's no wonder they have such a loyal following among discerning boaters worldwide. I'm Alan Stokel. Fair winds, my friend. Fair winds.